All right, let's take you on over to the tropics. Here's Hurricane Melissa, 165-mile-per-hour winds moving west at around 3 miles per hour, producing a lot of rainfall here. And of course, those really strong winds still at a Category 5 here. It is expected to weaken as it continues to move to the northeast. Should be around a Category 3 or 4 by tomorrow evening. So that's some good news there. It will continue to weaken as it moves off to the northeast, but right now it is really just kind of stationary or near stationary over Jamaica at this point. So that is what is going on with that so far. Now